Hello, welcome to the maths class. Today let us have a problem based on circles. Figure based problem. The problem is, in this figure, CD is a diameter which meets a chord AB in E such that AE is equal to BE, that is 4 cm. If CE is equal to 3 cm, find the radius of the circle or find the radius. So, let us work out for this. First of all, see, it is given that CD is the diameter. That means OE, CD diameter is intersecting AB at E. That means we already learned that this one radius or this one the line segment joining from the center to the chord, if it bisects the chord, that will be perpendicular to the chord. Yes or no? If AE is equal to BE, that means OE is perpendicular to AB. Let me write what is given first. CD is the diameter given to us. Okay. Then AE is equal to BE, that is 4 cm. These two are equal. That implies OE is perpendicular to AB. Okay. Because these two are equal, OE is perpendicular to AB. And also CE is given to us 3 cm. Now let us join OB. We have to find the radius of the circle. So let me join OB. Okay. OB and OC are the radius of the circle. Join AB. Let OB is R. OB, not only OB, OC is also radius. OD is also radius. Okay. Now we can see triangle BEO is a right angled triangle. In triangle BEO, we know that this is R radius, OC is radius, CE is 3 cm, so OE will be R minus 3. CE is given as 3 cm, so OE is R minus 3. Now in this triangle BEO, OB is R, BE is 4 cm, OE is R minus 3. So, as per the Pythagoras theorem, we can write OB square is equal to OE square plus BE square. Now let us substitute these values. OB means R square, OE is R minus 3 whole square, and BE is 4 square. So let us open the brackets. It's like A minus B whole square, A square, minus 2AB, 2 into R into 3 is 6R, plus B square, 3 square means 9, 4 square is 16. Now we can see both the sides, R square is there. So R square will be cancelled. Now let me bring this minus 6R this side. It will be 6R equal to 9 plus 16, 25. That implies R is equal to 25 by 6. That means 6 4s are 24 and 1 by 6 cm. But as it is the length, it is good for us to show in decimal. 25 by 6, always it is good for us to show in decimals. 2 6 are 24, 1 0. 1 0. 4 6 4 1 4 2s are 4 and 1 by 6. Sorry, we have to divide 25 by 6. 25 by 6. Okay. 25 liter is divided by 6. Okay. 6 4s are 24. 1 0. Point. 6 1s are 6. 4 0. 6 6 are 36. Again 4. So continuously if you divide, you will get 4.166 dash dash dash. That means 4.17 cm. That means the question is find the radius. Therefore, radius is equal to 4.17 cm. Only the trick lies here. you have to take this as R, so that OE will be R minus 3. If that much idea if you get, very easily you will be able to do this. Very nice question. Okay? Thank you.